In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on VET future, while talking about VECHAIN cost estimate for 2023, and then some, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Kindly remember that you ought to basically think about this and some other forecast, while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant undertaking, in a real sense, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like VET. Presently, we should head into it, or so they thought, before we dive profound into the VECHAIN value forecast and answer questions in the event that VECHAIN is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will VET succeed or especially fizzle? Or for what reason will VET value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is VECHAIN and its to-date history. VECHAIN introduction. VECHAIN truly is Asia-based project that is growing its IoT and production network-centered stage through the making of the VECHAIN Thor network in an unobtrusive manner. VECHAIN's Thor will probably sort of be an Endeavor-equipped blockchain environment, zeroed in on administration and usability. The venture intends to work a sort of local blockchain that will empower organizations to utilize different shrewd agreement applications without any problem. VECHAIN generally centers principally around trading and putting away information through the blockchain, and essentially has most certainly run live applications in the store network space. VECHAIN Value Forecast 2023. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown, which is genuinely critical. Bitcoin explicitly has fallen 75% from its record-breaking high, in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of colossal industry players, FTX, Celsius, Luna and so on into the situation, the horizon basically is cloudy, and there will be significantly more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous explicitly play, and thus the auction in an unobtrusive manner. Our algo still sees us some essentially green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year, which is genuinely critical. This is reflected in our 2023 forecasts amazingly. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way, and especially alter the course in a significant manner. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to essentially do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the essentially next 90 days, with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2 in an extremely enormous manner. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike in a sort of enormous manner. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and principal evaluation of each undertaking in a genuinely significant manner. Basics that we most certainly assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative extremely potential, and a few especially other restrictive elements created in our crypto lab. 2023 03 to 10, 3.12% $, 0.0241. 2023 03 to 11, plus 5.17% $, 0.0261, 2023 03 to 12, plus 5.63% $, 0.0262, 2023 03 to 13, 1.96% $, 0.0243, 2023 03 to 14, 0.56% $, 0.0247, 2023 03 to 15, 0.41% $, 0.0247, 2023 03 to 16, 6.08% $, 0.0233, 2023 03 to 17, plus 1.48% $, 0.0252, 2023 03 to 18, 2.06% $, 0.0243, 2023 03 to 19, 2.44% $, 0.0242, 2023 03 to 20, 5.90% $, 0.0234. VECHAIN Value Expectation 2023. High expansion and very dangerous full-scale circumstance pondered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022 in opposition to prevalent thinking. At the point when we take the inward crypto issues with sort of huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 by and large isn't looking excessively most certainly great for the bulls. We will most likely see a great deal of commonly exhausting sideways cost activity, with a propensity to slip sort of lower, with every minor market quake incredibly. Forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds likewise, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Underneath really is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a very long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 April 20.14%, $0.0198. 2023 May 38.06%, $0.0154. 2023 June 28.86%, $0.0177. 2023 July 17.85%, $0.0204. 2023 August 12.04%, $0.0218. 2023 September 11.53%, $0.0220. 2023 October 6.00%, $0.0233. 2023 November plus 3.25%, $0.0256. 2023 December plus 11.46%, $0.0277. 2024 Jan plus 10.05%, $0.0273. 2024 February plus 14.49%, $0.0284. 2024 Blemish plus 26.00%, $0.0313. VET value expectation 2025. Our expectation model sees VET coming to $0.0627 in 2025, which is very huge. What will VET be for the most part worth in 5 years? The cost of VET in 5 years could lie around $0.0479 amazingly. VECHAIN value forecasts 2030-2040. Which is very critical. What VECHAIN will be worth in 2030. Our determining model sees VECHAIN coming to $0.1567 in 2030. What VECHAIN will be worth in 2040 amazingly. Our determining model sees VECHAIN coming to $0.3135 in 2040. Will VECHAIN supplant especially outperform surpass Bitcoin? No, VECHAIN won't swap or generally overwhelm BTC. Could VECHAIN at any point reach $10, which by and large is genuinely huge? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for VECHAIN to reach $10 in the short or mid-term period. Could VECHAIN at any point truly reach $100, which is genuinely huge? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for VECHAIN to generally reach $100 in the especially short or mid-term period. Is VECHAIN fundamentally worth purchasing? We are promoters of tolerably unsafe money management. Certainly put the vast majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half 35% in a bin of enormous cap coins, and the rest in little undertakings with gigantic potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific situation, VECHAIN merits purchasing. Is VECHAIN a sort of wise interest? Incredibly. VECHAIN is, very much like any remaining cryptographic forms of money, a hazardous speculation, which in a real sense is very